Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Align Studio tutorial 132, and today's topic is how to add a marching dots animation in a state diagram in AI Line Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there, you need to select Concept Sketcher because in AI Line Studio, if you want to generate a state diagram, you need to do it through Concept Sketcher. So I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is a very simple online order system showing the order transition through different stages. This diagram got generated for me in just 15 to 20 seconds. Now we're talking about the animation. So click over here and do the marching dot animation. You can see a flow of different dots flowing around the edges, showing the flow of the diagram. So if you want to update the number of dots, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot spacing, you can do it from here. If you want to enable the animation speed, you can do it from here. If you want to increase decrease the depth fade, you can do it from here. If you want to increase decrease the dot size, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot intensity, you can do it from here. So basically, adding a marching dot animation in AI Studio helps you make your state diagrams more dynamic and easy to understand. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.